Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Wednesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, so daily chart, we've had this steady move up as high as 27.97.75. They weren't really able to do better than that in the regular session. You had some tariff news, which brought it down as low as 65.75 overnight. We've seen that bounce now, not quite 20 handles, as high as 83 off the bounce. So I was out of the office. I missed the down move, and I wasn't going to chase it. What we were able to do was get a long going against 66. So we're long. We're long 69.25, right around that area there. We've taken some profits, and we're letting the runners run. What I'm wondering is if this is going to be the next high or low, and now we head back up over 2,800. The bears really needed to take advantage of this news flow and break the overnight low and get back down and try to convert the daily middle band. You still would have another 10 handles down to the weekly pivot. You see the weekly pivot down there 42. You see the daily pivot 53. We talked about compression and expansion. I said in the webcast yesterday the most likely direction for the expansion was up. The news made me wrong. So sometimes you're going to be wrong. Expansion was to the downside. It's now climbing back. The bears need this to be a lower high, and then they need to follow through to a lower low. If they can make that happen, like I said, it opens up daily mid-band, it opens up weekly pivot, all of those areas where they can go ahead and push it down and try to get something done. On the upside, you have to deal with 97.75. If I back out far enough here, you'll see these matching highs back here at 27.96. Now you got 97.75. For the last couple of weeks, when the bulls approach that round number at 2,800, they start to have trouble, and they had trouble yesterday. So each side has their work cut out for them as we head into the open. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. We were out with some stuff on social. We're starting to roll the whole content calendar back out. I will be out in a little bit there. Until then, trade them well. I'll talk to you then. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.